Hey everyone, so here is this interesting app called LiveStatus. Share your live lock and home screen chat. This is quite a popular app. This is the first app that fully integrates iOS 16 widget features into messages. On LiveStatus, you can send all types of messages, including text, photos, emoji status, and your drawings straight to your friend's lock and home screen. When your friends see your updates on screens, they can open the widget and send their messages back to your lock and phone screens. LiveStatus offers an intimate and innovative way for friends to chat and stay connected with each other. So yeah, this app is kind of a combination of Locket widget, if you heard about that app, Noted widget, where you can send notes. Here you can send notes, here you can send photos, and by just installing home screen widgets on your phone. And also they just add in a lot of like anonymous polling, so just basically try to be like everything app right now. So here you can just create an account easily. So you can allow notification, you can give access to a camera, then you can just add your home screen widget just by tapping, like tap and hold, and then tap plus icon, and then you can just add home screen. Oh, sorry, LiveStatus. Yeah, like that. And then you have multiple widgets, small, big, and then for 4 widgets. Let's just start with a small, and then yeah, you can just tap on it, and then you will be redirected to LiveStatus. So here, for example, you can just take a photo, choose your status. That's the sync with this app. Tap next, and then send to. You can send it to yourself, or you can add friends here. You can add a group, and then just tap send, and then basically you just send it. So, and then it will just appear here on the home screen widget for your friend, for the person who you send it to. Yeah, or as you can see here is how it looks like. Also, it will appear in the chat in the app. Yeah, so you can then chat in the app as well and send photos and additional things here. Then also you can add this widget to lock screen, and then you will be able to see the friend status right on your lock screen. So that's another feature here. So let's just try it out. So of course you can add a lock screen widget when you lock your screen, but also what I'm doing, just go to settings, search for wallpaper. From here you can just tap on customize, add widgets, and then you can search for LiveStatus. So here you can add status widget, you can add get your friend's status updates, or you can just add like, I want just add to status, or like bigger status widget, and then I can remove, yeah. So you can only add like 2, and then you can just customize it as you want. And then you will see it right on your lock screen, meaning when your phone is locked, you will just be able to see that widget, and you don't need to, to unlock your phone and then go to LiveStatus app or go to specific home screen and then open it all up. And yeah, so here you can just see it like that. So just tap done in the top right to save these settings. Yeah, so that's the idea. So then you have LiveStatus here. So that's basically the idea. And then you can just message with friends. By the way, how to add friends, and then you can connect with friends. Just search for some friends here. I think you can search by username, and then you can just add them as an example. Okay, there is some feature which is only available in US, I guess. And then yeah, so then there is your account. If you tap in top left, there are some settings. You can save picture. You can block users. There is some LiveStatus Pro membership. If you want to delete your account, you can do it from here. You can add your phone number. yeah, so that's basically the idea. There are some widget settings, but also, so it means if you have a LiveStatus widget, you will receive updates from your friends. So you can select all, or you can just select few friends. So for example, you don't want to receive all photos from all your friends because you have like 20 friends here. You will just have unlimited photos all the time. So you just want to have photos from your close friend or from your girlfriend, boyfriend, and then you can just select from here. Just an example. So it's pretty powerful app. And again, as you can see, it kind of combines features of Locket widget, of Noted, of all these widget apps, and you can do a lot of this stuff for free. And in this app, you can add unlimited friends for free. You don't need to upgrade. However, there is an upgrade version. I'm not sure, like the LiveStatus Pro. So unlock all statuses, and there is no watermark if you want to save it. And it's only $2.99 per month. Or yearly $29.99, cancel anytime. So it's not like some complicated or like super expensive app, but it's pretty powerful. Some people though still prefer Locket widget because it's kind of simpler way, like you just send photos there, or like all other people use Noted widget where you just send drawings. So it's kind of simpler. Here it feels a bit like too much in one app, but if your friends are using it, definitely a cool app. So yeah, that's what it is. Hope it is helpful.